Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey and Bingo hugging Bandit with love. Do you want to know why Bluey and Bingo are hugging Dad so tightly today? Can you guess? Did he tell a funny story, play a big game, or maybe do something extra kind? Close your eyes and imagine a warm hug wrapping all around you. Can you feel it? It was a calm morning at the Healer house. Bandit was sitting on the couch, reading. Bluey tiptoed in and whispered to Bingo, "Let's surprise Dad with the biggest hug ever." Bingo giggled, her eyes shining. "Yes, let's do it together." Children, open your arms wide like Bluey and Bingo, ready for a huge hug. The sisters counted softly. 1, 2, 3, and then jump. They leapt onto the couch and wrapped their little paws around Bandit. He chuckled. "Well, what's all this about?" Bluey said sweetly. "It's a hug full of love," Bingo added. "And it's just for you, Dad." Bandit's heart felt warm. He squeezed them gently. "You two are the best pups ever." Kids, hug yourself right now, squeeze tight, and feel safe just like Bluey and Bingo in Bandit's arms. Mom peeked in from the kitchen. "What's going on here?" she asked with a smile. Bandit grinned. "I've been captured by the Cuddle Squad." Bluey giggled. "Yes, no one escapes from hugs." Bingo chimed in. "Never ever." Like this video and subscribe my channel. Bandit leaned back and rocked side to side, swaying them gently. "You know," he said softly, "hugs make everything better. Even when the day is tough, love makes it light again." Bluey nodded against his shoulder. "That's why we wanted to hug you, Dad," Bingo whispered, "because we love you so much." Children, can you whisper too? "I love you," to someone close or even to yourself? Say it gently with care. The room felt cozy. Outside, birds sang in the trees, and sunlight danced through the window. Bandits stroked their fur, soft and calm. "When I hold you, I feel the happiest dad in the world," he said. Bluey smiled. "And when we hug you, we feel safe." Bingo wriggled closer. "Dad, do you know what hugs taste like?" Bandit chuckled. "Taste?" Bingo nodded seriously. "Yes, like sweet honey or warm toast." Everyone laughed, filling the room with joy. Kids, pretend to take a bite of warm toast and smile. After a while, the hug became even softer, quieter. Bluey rested her head on Bandit's chest. Bingo yawned, eyes half closed. Bandit whispered, "Love is the best treasure we can ever share." Mom leaned in, placing a gentle hand on all of them. "And our family is full of it." Children, close your eyes for a moment. Imagine hugging your family or a soft toy, and feel that love surrounding you. As the morning turned to afternoon, the house glowed with peace. Bluey, Bingo, and Bandit stayed close, hearts full, smiles wide. Friends, wave your hands slowly now, with Bluey, Bingo, Bandit, and Mom sending hugs, love, and gentle goodbyes straight to you.